Today we're talking about the line of credit on how it actually outperforms a higher mortgage rate. Hey, good morning everyone. It's Angelo Christian Financial, your direct nationwide lender. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Today we're talking about the line of credit on how it actually outperforms a higher mortgage rate. Yeah, so for example, you take a mortgage today at 7%, 30-year fixed. Even a credit line, if the credit line's at 8%, even 8.5%, you pay less interest carry costs on the credit line versus a mortgage. This is how powerful a line of credit is versus a mortgage. I'm giving you a simple example. If you take a $500,000 mortgage loan at 7%, you're going to spend $1.5 million in interest on that loan over 30 years. 95% of the payment goes towards interest. 5% goes towards principal. That's how mortgages work, okay? But on a line of credit, again, even if the line of credit is higher, 8.5%, so it works completely different. It's the opposite. Every single day you deposit money into your account, or bi-weekly or monthly, every single day, whatever is in your account on a line of credit gets swept against the mortgage loan to do a principal reduction on the loan. So that same example, $500,000, you deposit $10,000 a month into your checking account. That gets applied towards the loan. Now the next day, if you need money, you can just pull out the money to pay your bills or whatever. But by you pounding on that loan every single month, week, your effective APR goes down. The term of the loan goes down. You pay it off much faster. And your cost of capital, cost of credit is reduced drastically. Your effective interest rate is cut in half. And you can look at the mortgage calculator for the first lien HELOC and see that. That's how powerful it is. Well, we offer these programs, and that's why I'm telling you about it, because it's such an amazing thing, and I believe very strongly in it because it's all backed by math and science. So anyway, if we can help you, we do on primary residence, investment property, secondary home. Call or text Angelo Christian. We'd love to hear from you. 832-431-6331.